Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add HubSpot contacts to Mailercloud contact list automatically. So the idea here is that you have created a new contact in your HubSpot account. Now you want to add the same contact to your Mailercloud contact list. For that we need to create a connection between HubSpot CRM and Mailercloud so that whenever a new contact is created into the HubSpot account, the same contact will be added to your Mailercloud contact list. So in this integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is HubSpot, which is a CRM software application. So in place of HubSpot, we can even use Keep, Insightly CRM, Zoho CRM or any other CRM software application. And the second application we are using is Mailercloud, which is an email marketing software. So in place of Mailercloud, we can even use Mailgun, MailChimp, MailerLite or any other email marketing software. So how we are going to create an integration between HubSpot and Mailercloud, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time, that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my HubSpot CRM account and this is my Mailercloud contact list. So now I want that whenever I create a new contact here in my HubSpot account, automatically the same contact should be created into the Mailercloud contact list over here. So I'll just create a new contact and I'll give the email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith. Okay, I'll just add the phone number over here. And let's select this life cycle stage as lead over here. And let's click on create contact. Okay, and here we can see that a new contact has been created into the HubSpot account. So now let us check our Mailercloud contact list. I'm just going to refresh it. Let's move to the contacts. Okay, and here we can see that a new contact named Adam Smith is added to our Mailercloud contact list. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new contact here in my HubSpot account and automatically the same contact is added to the Mailercloud contact list over here. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between HubSpot CRM and Mailercloud, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating HubSpot with Mailercloud automatically. The best part here is, it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the new contact that you have created in your HubSpot account. And using those details of the contact, automatically the contact will be created into your Mailercloud contact list. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between HubSpot CRM and Mailercloud using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as HubSpot CRM to Mailercloud integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the contact details to be captured from HubSpot CRM account. So open this trigger window. Here in the Choose app, let us find HubSpot CRM. In the trigger event, we have to select New Contact Added. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. You can find above details by following these steps. Log into your HubSpot account. Click the settings icon in the navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, navigate to the integrations and then go to the API key. Okay, so I'll just take you to my HubSpot CRM account. Okay, here we have to come to the settings tab. Click on settings. And here when we scroll down, we can find the integrations option. So here in the integrations, we can find the API key. Click on API key. Okay, and here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this particular API key from here. Okay, we'll move back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to paste the same API key over here. Okay, and let's click on Save. And now the HubSpot CRM account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, first let us create a new contact in HubSpot CRM account, because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just go to the HubSpot account. I'll just click on this back button. And let's come to the contact section. Okay, here we have to click on this Create Contact option. I'm just going to give the email address as shikhaarya23@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya. Here I'm not giving the job title. Let us add the phone number over here. Okay, and life cycle stage as lead over here. I'm selecting lead. Lead status as a new lead over here. And let's click on Create Contact. Okay, and here we can see that a new contact named Shikha Arya is added to our HubSpot contact list. Okay, so now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the new contact are captured over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the email address. Okay, and here we can find the first name and all other details are captured here. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we want that using all these contact details, automatically a new contact should be added into the Mailercloud contact list. For that, come to this action window and here in the Choose application, let us find Mailercloud. In the action event, we have to select Add Contact to List. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So you can find the API key under your Mailercloud account. Navigate to Accounts, then Integrations and click on API Integrations. Okay, so I'll just click on API Integrations over here. And here we can find the API key. So if you want to create a new API key by clicking on this particular option, Create API Key, a new key can be created or else I'll just use this particular key. I'm just going to copy it. We'll move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the same API key over here. Okay, and let's click on Save. Okay, and now the Mailercloud account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the list name. So I'll just take you to my Mailercloud account. So this is the dashboard of my Mailercloud account. Here we have to come to the audience option and here we can find the list. Click on it. Now here you can see that I have already created some lists over here. If you want to create a new list, by clicking on this Create New List option, a new list can be created. Here I have already created a list name HubSpot. So I'm just going to use it. Here we have to move to the Contacts section. And here you can see that I have created just 3 contacts in this particular list. So I want the contacts to be added to this particular list. So let us select HubSpot list here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to find the same over here, that is HubSpot. Now here we have to give the email address of the contact. So we have already got the details of the contact from the HubSpot CRM account. So we are going to map all these details now. So I'm just going to map the email address. Let us find it from HubSpot CRM. And the email address was shikhaarya23@gmail.com. Here the contact type we have to select as active over here. Here we have to map the first name, that is Shikha. And here we have to map the last name, that is Arya. Let us map it from the HubSpot CRM account. Okay. Here we have to map the phone number. So let us find the phone number. Okay. Phone properties. And here we can map the country, city and all other details. As per your requirement, you can map it over here. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. So now let us check our Mailercloud account. I'm just going to refresh it. Let's move to the contacts section, and here we can find a new contact named Shikha Arya is added to this particular contact list. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just go to the HubSpot account. And here we are going to just create a new contact. And I'll just go to the create contact option. And let's give the email address as Avinash Gupta 589@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Avinash, last name as Gupta. Okay, I'm just leaving all other details. Let's add the phone number over here. Life cycle stage, subscriber. No, I want it to be the lead over here. And let's select the lead status as new. And let's click on create contact. Okay, and here we can see that a new contact named Avinash Gupta is created in the HubSpot account. So now let us check our Mailercloud contact list. I'm just going to refresh it once again. Let's move to the contacts. And here, even after refreshing, we can't find our contact just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. So it's almost 5 minutes. Let us refresh it once again. I'll move to the contacts section, and here we can find that the new contact named Avinash Gupta is added to the Mailercloud contact list. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new contact, and using those details, automatically a new contact is added to the Mailercloud contact list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between HubSpot CRM and Mailercloud using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.